In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify email. Navigating the world of online retail can sometimes feel overwhelming, but making sure your contact information is up to date doesn't have to be a daunting task. Today, I'll walk you through the process of updating your email address on Shopify in a few simple steps. This is crucial for maintaining seamless communication with your customers and ensuring you never miss out on important notifications from Shopify itself. First things first, we'll need to head over to the Shopify website. Once there, locate and click on the login button. This is your gateway to accessing the backend of your online store where all the magic happens. Upon clicking, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. This step is pretty straightforward but integral to the process. Make sure you enter the email address currently associated with your Shopify account to avoid any login issues. After inputting your email, you'll be asked to enter your password. Type in your password carefully and then click on the login button to proceed. Remember, ensuring the security of your account starts with keeping your password confidential and complex. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the home page of your Shopify admin. Here you'll see a dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your store's performance and activities. Next, you'll want to find and click on My Store. This might seem like a small step, but it's your portal to accessing various administrative features of your Shopify account, including the ability to update your contact information. After clicking on My Store, locate and select the Manage Account option. This area of Shopify is dedicated to your account settings where you can make adjustments to personal details, manage staff accounts, and more. Now for the main event, updating your email address. Within the account management settings, you'll find an Update button. Clicking this will lead you to where you can alter your account's email information. Before you can proceed with changing your email, Shopify will ask you to verify your password. This is a security measure designed to protect your account from unauthorized changes. Enter your password when prompted to confirm your identity. After verifying your password, you'll be able to click on what is typically highlighted as the email field. This is where you can input your new desired email address. Be sure to double check for typos before saving the changes. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully updated your email address on Shopify. It's a simple process, but it plays a critical role in the smooth operation of your online store. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date ensures you stay connected with your customers and on top of any updates from Shopify itself. As a final tip, after changing your email, do a quick check by sending yourself a test email from the Shopify dashboard to ensure everything's in working order. And don't forget to update your new email in any other business tools or communication channels you use so you maintain consistency across your brand. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to change your Shopify email. Keeping your Shopify account up to date ensures you're always ready to provide the best experience for your customers, and it starts with something as simple as updating your email address. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your online store effectively.